Alright, so we're now going to talk about Geo World. Geo World is a very exciting 2D platformer game with a focus on middle school geometry and spatial reasoning. In this game, you're a protagonist that in the form of a box, and you must travel through different countries fighting these evil termites that are destroying the blueprints of the engineering companies of each country. Now, in this game, so far the termites are in the form of scissors, but later they'll be developed into more bug-like looking scissors, and also paper shredders and other things that destroy paper, because they want to stop you from solving these math problems. So they're cutting up the blueprints. The blueprints in the game look something like this. This is the blueprint from the first level, and you know, you have 5 decimeters and 2 decimeters length and width respectively, and you have to find the area of this paper airplane that's been destroyed. When you solve that problem and figure it out, then that fulfills the requirements for passing this particular level. So we'll go ahead and just play the game and show you how it works. Like any other game, it's a puzzle, and you have to kind of figure it out as you go along. But so we have our scissors, and you can jump on them from the top, kind of like in Mario, to defeat them. Now you can go into that store that we just passed. We're not going to go in there yet. We want to actually see this problem that we have to solve. Alright, so we've gotten here, and we see 5 decimeters by 2 decimeters, and we have to find the area. So in each game, there are parts. I'm going to go down instead of up. There are parts of each game here that require you sometimes to call a friend. So in this case, I'm going to buy a smartphone, and then I'm going to use the smartphone now, and I can call a friend. So when you call a friend, the friend is somebody who's locally in whatever area that whatever country you're in. So in this case, it's your Uncle Tolu, because you're in Benin, West Africa.
Now, wow, we don't hear your voice at all. You don't smash your hand here. How been now? Longest time. How body and how much time?
So you can see that the phone translates what he's saying.
Oh yeah, you can bear pẹ̀lú ìṣirò. Ìṣirò dùn kọ́. Èmi ó sì ràn lọ́wọ́ láti dáhùn àwọn ìbéèrè rẹ lórí ìṣirò. In order to find the area of a rectangle, you must multiply the length times the width. Please remember that the answer will always be your unit squared. So 3 decimeters times 4 decimeters will be 12 decimeters squared.
Alright, so we're going to close the phone now, and so we have different answers here. In the store, you can buy the correct answer. So, and you can buy several different answers and use them at different parts of the game. So we're going to buy 10 decimeters squared. And there's other things that you can, other answers that you can purchase as well in the game. So once you have something, once you buy an answer, then you can actually then take that answer and throw it. So let me show you how you throw your answers around. Like if you come to a place like here, in my pocket, actually I preloaded several different answers. So for example, here is 1 decimeter squared, right? And you can throw as many answers around as you want. Your answers are physical objects in the game. Here's 15 decimeters squared. Neither one of those would work for this problem though. When I go to this problem and I throw out 10 decimeters squared, then that now gives me the answer, and I've unlocked the ability to use the vehicle that I've solved. So in the final game, this paper airplane that's on the blueprint kind of comes to life, and then you start flying it. Well, I haven't developed that part yet, but that's your success. Your victory is when you can solve a blueprint and solve that machine. There are different machines, helicopters and tractors and airplanes and so on. So it's a lot of fun when you actually get to ride one of the machines that you have solved the blueprint for. And then you can take that and then ride that into the next level. So that's basically the game in a nutshell. There's still a lot that still needs to be developed, obviously. But this is pretty much where it's going, and just wanted to show you how that works.